Hi there, and welcome back to Gift Block. Dads do a lot for us over the years, often without making a big deal about it. So when Father's Day or his birthday comes around, you want to show some appreciation, even if he says he doesn't need anything. Here are some unique gifts that he will actually use and enjoy, not the usual tie and wallet kind. Links are in the description so you can get to these gifts easily. First on this list, a telescope for beginners. It is easy to set up and great for getting clear views of the moon, stars, and planets. It even comes with a phone adapter so he can take photos through the telescope. Next, a large firewood bag for dads who enjoy fireplaces or backyard barbecues. This heavy-duty waxed canvas carrier makes it much easier to bring in logs without dropping wood chips all over the floor. At number 3, noise-canceling headphones for dads who enjoy music or podcasts. These lightweight over-ear headphones are comfortable enough to wear for hours, and the battery can last all day on a single charge. 4. A GPS fish finder for dads who love fishing. It uses sonar to show what's happening under the water, helping him spot fish, underwater structures, and the depth below the boat. The built-in GPS also lets him mark his favorite fishing spots and easily return to them later. At number 5, a leather toiletry bag that dads can use every day at home or while traveling. It keeps all his grooming essentials neatly organized with multiple pockets and compartments. Next, number 6, a rechargeable camping light with a built-in device charger for dads who enjoy camping, road trips, or working in the garage. It provides powerful adjustable lighting and can extend upward like a small portable lamp. The large rechargeable battery also doubles as a power bank for phones, tablets, and other devices. At 7, a phone docking station that holds his phone while it charges and gives him a dedicated spot for everyday essentials like his wallet, watch, keys, and glasses. At number 8, a golf storage organizer that gives Dad a neat place to store his golf bags, clubs, and other gear all in one easy-to-access area. Next, at number 9, an emergency car kit that comes packed with useful tools like jumper cables, a tire inflator, a first aid kit, and other roadside essentials, all organized in one compact bag that fits easily into a car trunk. And last on this list, a 19-in-1 multi-tool that's made in USA. A compact, durable, and endlessly handy tool for a man who spends a lot of time outdoors or working on DIY projects. That's it. All the links are in the description below. And if this helped you find the right gift, give the video a like, subscribe for more gift ideas, and I'll see you in the next one.